Hello students, welcome to this session. In this video I am going to discuss about a round function. Let's talk about round function. So to find the value of round function, you need to add 0.5 to the given number, okay, and whatever value comes, you need to take its floor value, okay. So that will give you the final result. So let's see the examples. 1.5, if we add 0.5 to it, that will give us 2.0, and 2.0, its floor value is also 2.0. And since the return type of round is integer, this will be 2. Similarly, 1.49 plus 0.5, that will give you 1.99. 1.99, its floor value is 1.0, okay. So its integer value will be 1. So 1 is the answer. Then 1.51, if we add 0.5 to it, that will give us 2.01. So 2.01, its floor value will be 2.0, and in the integer form will be 2. So the answer is 2. Similarly, 1.6. So 1.6, add 0.5 to it, this will give you 2.1. its floor value is 2.0, its integer value is 2. So the answer is 2. 2.5, add 0.5 to it, that will give you 3.0. 3.0, its floor value is 3.0 and integer value is 3. So the answer is 3. Similarly, let's look at the negative numbers. So minus 1.5, we are going to do the same process. We will add 0.5. So the answer is minus 1.0. Minus 1.0, its floor value is minus 1.0. So its integer value is 1, minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Minus 1.49, minus 1.49 plus 0.5, that will give you 0.99, minus 0.99, okay. So minus 0.99, its floor value will be, so minus 0.99 comes between 0 and minus 1, okay. So the floor value minus 0.99 comes between minus 1 and 0. So minus 1 is the floor value of minus 0.99. So the answer, so minus 1.0 is the floor value and the integer value is minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Next we have minus 1.51. Minus 1.51 plus 0.5, that will give us minus 1.01. Minus 1.01 comes between minus 1.0 and minus 1.1. So the floor, sorry, it will not be minus 1.1, it will be 2.0, okay. So the floor value of minus 1.01 will be this one, minus 2.0. So the answer will be the integer value of this. The integer value is minus 2, hence the answer is minus 2. Then we have minus 1.6. Minus 1.6, add 0.5 to it, this will give you minus 1.1. Minus 1.1 comes between minus 1 and minus 2, okay. So, the floor value of minus 1.1 will be minus 2.0 and in its integer value is minus 2. So, the answer is minus 2. Next we have minus 2.5, minus 2.5, add 0.5 to it, this will give you minus 2.0 and its floor value is also minus 2.0 and its integer value is minus 2. So, this is how we find the value for the round function. Okay. The rule is simple. If you follow this rule, you cannot ever go wrong. So, first rule is add 0.5 to the given number. Second rule is whatever result you got in point number 1, you find its floor value. Okay. So, find the floor value of step 1 and that will give you the answer. And you should remember the return type of round is int. Okay. So, this was round.